Hi guys, welcome back to Stir Taste Adjust. Hi guys, what? So don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I just want to say big up yourself to all my subscribers and followers. Guys, are you tired of the same old Brussels sprout recipe? Well, you're at the right place if that is you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your Brussels sprout 3 different ways. I'm going to show you a creamy method, a shredded Brussels sprout salad method, and a simple pan-fried method. Please remember to share your favorite from all these 3 recipes. Zane? Okay guys, let's jump right into the video. The first recipe I'm going to share with you is the shredded Brussels sprout salad. So let's prepare the ingredients before we start putting everything together. Next, let's make a simple dressing for this salad. I have olive oil, salt. I'm going in with some black pepper. We need red wine vinegar to give it a little tang, lemon juice. We need garlic, and of course we're gonna need some Dijon mustard. And to add some sweetness to this dressing, I'm adding some maple syrup. Whisk it together until everything is combined. It looks really smooth. All right, that's it. Now let's assemble this salad. I've already threaded the Brussels sprouts. We have some sunflower seeds. These are apples. I have some cranberries, radish. I'm gonna pour the sauce all over these, and I'm dumping everything in. Stir until everything is combined. So that sauce is going to give the Brussels sprout an additional tang and sweetness, along with all of these other things that I've added. It's going to add texture and also some more sweetness to this salad. To top things off, I'm adding some shredded Parmesan. Guys, this salad has become one of my favorites, and honestly I never thought of eating raw Brussels sprouts, but since doing this salad I have come to love it. Guys, you see how simple this salad is to make? I am finished. I'm simply gonna put some plastic wrap over it and put it in the refrigerator to chill. If you don't want cheese in your salad, you can simply replace it with shredded coconut like I have here. This is the bowl I'll be eating from. Can't wait! That was our shredded Brussels sprout salad, guys. It was the bomb. Next, we're gonna do the creamy method. To get started, in a pot on medium heat, I'm adding some unsalted butter, chopped onion, bell peppers, and garlic. We're gonna saute these vegetables with the butter and some olive oil. And once this is sauteed, we're going to add our Brussels sprouts. Our Brussels sprout is already washed and cut. I'm just dumping them all in these sauteed vegetables. Next, I'm going in with some more butter, garlic salt, red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Stir everything together so you can combine all the ingredients with the Brussels sprouts. And don't forget your black pepper, guys. Put some all over on those Brussels sprouts and let it, just stay there and simmer. Once your Brussels sprouts look like this, a little wilted, add your cream. I'm using coconut milk, and I'm going to use about 1 cup coconut milk. This brand right here is very creamy. I found it and I've been using it for a while. Love it. Next, I'm adding some grated Parmesan cheese, and this is about 1/4 cup. So guys, depending on the amount of Brussels sprouts that you're gonna be cooking, then you would adjust your cream and cheese to match that amount of Brussels sprouts that you have cooking. I'm only cooking for 2 people, so here I'm basically doing 1/4 cup of cheese to 1 cup cream. Guys, I cannot say this enough. Always, always, always taste everything that you cook. This is how you're gonna know if the food is to your liking. Tastes real good. Next, we're going in with some mozzarella cheese. This is gonna give this Brussels sprout some gooiness. And yes, I'm going in with 1/2 cup of this as well. To finish off this recipe, we're adding some sweet corn, and I'm not really sure how much this is. I think I used a handful and a handful of chopped parsley. Remove your casserole from the stove and dump everything in a casserole dish. Next, we're gonna top it off with some more cheese, but this time it's white cheddar. I want mine a little spicy, so I'm adding some more red pepper flakes on the top. Just like that. Guys, this is what it looks like close up. Here it is. Super, super creamy. I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 10-15 minutes so that the cheese will just melt. Guys, I must apologize because I don't have a picture of the end result. I was so excited to eat this that I forgot to take one. But this creamy casserole was to die for. It was so delicious. I would make it 1,000 times over. But my apologies again, and I hope that you'll understand. Now we're at the third and final Brussels sprout recipe. This is the pan-seared method, and I'm going to show you a simple sauce that you can use to just drizzle over this to make it ideal. Guys, this would be perfect for you if you have a busy schedule or if you simply want something quick and easy and healthy to eat. The first thing we're going to do is to prepare the Brussels sprouts. In this case, I wash, cut, and here I'm seasoning with olive oil, black pepper, and of course we need some salt. I'm using kosher salt. Next, we're gonna rub everything in to make sure that the Brussels sprout is well coated with the oil, salt, and black pepper. Put your stove on medium-high heat. Add some more olive oil to the pot. I think this is too much. I'm gonna throw some off. Add the Brussels sprouts, cut side down, and just let them stay there and sear brown. We're looking for a golden brown color, and once we've achieved that, we're gonna flip them. So guys, let me show you how to make this simple sauce while the Brussels sprout is doing its thing. This sauce that I'm gonna make, we only need 2 ingredients: balsamic vinegar and 1 tablespoon honey. We're gonna mix it all in until they all combine together, and we are going to sprinkle this over our already cooked Brussels sprouts, just like so. Guys, it is that simple. It is so tasty. You see how simple this is? It is extraordinarily delicious. I'm having these seared Brussels sprouts with a rice medley and oxtails. Guys, it is so good! I wish you could taste it. Guys, this is it for Stir Taste Adjust today. I'm happy that you're here. I'm glad to share these recipes with you. If you ever need a recipe idea, just remember Stir Taste Adjust. If you like any of these recipes, please share in the comment section down below. Let me know what was your favorite. And guys, guess what? I'll see you soon. So, what good? Peace.